Hey folks, it's Kim here. So I don't know if you guys saw a short that I put up the other day of my CNC and the sloppiness that was on the Z-axis. So what I've got here is I've had to take my CNC all apart. This is an X-carve, and before people start getting all wound up and want to down it, I actually like my X-carve. I bought it in the end of 2018. I think I got it in late January, early February of 2019, put it together, and it's been pretty much user-friendly and error-free ever since getting it. It does run on belts. You can see them here, and the problem that I had lately is these little V wheels that are in here caused me some issues. So it's just one of those items that I knew there was going to be a problem or could be a problem when I bought it. But I bought this X-carve because I didn't know that much about CNC other than watching other people do it. So I bought this. I wanted to be able to put it all together by myself and learn all of the components. The X, the Y, the Z, all of that. So it's been a really good machine for me. So this is actually letting you know that I'm going to put this off on the side. It's going to be my backup now. And we've got a new one coming. And I'll show that to you in a few minutes, and probably the assembly for it. But this machine has been really good to me, and I've made my money back on this several times over with the items that I had. It's a little slower than I want it to be, especially at this point, but I've had it for almost 5 years, 4.5 years, something like that. And so it's slower than what I want it to be. The V wheels to me in the belt system, because you got to keep tightening them and taking up the slack and all of that, you just got to know you got to do maintenance if you're going to have an X-carve, and I knew that going into it, and it is something that I truly enjoyed learning how to do, and now it's time for the next level, and you'll see that in a few minutes. So a little while ago I showed you guys the X-carve all torn apart, and so now I'm going to show you the new CNC, which is a Onefinity Journeyman X-50. Seems to be a very rugged machine. It is a lot faster and a lot sturdier than the X-carve, which is the reason that I got it, so that I could actually be able to mill out my products faster, hopefully making, that very elusive profit. So here is my not X-carve, sorry. When you have something for 5 years, you tend to call everything the same time. This is the Onefinity Journeyman X-50. It is 48 inches wide, 32 inches deep. That is my carving area. It's got a Makita router on it. At some point I will put on a spindle, which will be quieter than what this is, and stronger, faster, just like a $6 million man. So anyways, one of the cool features of this is it has a joystick. Alright, so with the joystick, turn it on, I can control what I'm doing with my CNC, and it's got 4 speeds. Snail, a little bit faster, a little faster, faster. So I've got it set up right now with a V-bit in it. I'm going to do my first sign, actually. My first attempt at a sign, I should say that. And I'll take you guys along for a ride, I hope. And please, if you find this interesting, please give me a thumbs up, make a comment, share it with somebody. So please help us out. Thank you. Alright, so I've opened up my file, and now I'm going to set my X, Y, and Z. Just so you know, I usually have a boot, a dust collection on here. But you aren't going to be able to see it. So I'm going to probe for X, Y, and Z right now. Oops. Cutting diameter. If you can't see it, this goes on the side of my what I'm about to carve. So next, I want it to hitting the same side. That's a V bit that's in there. I don't know if that's the best one to probe with. And please, if you see something, please tell me so that I learn and everybody else learns at the same time. So I'm going to turn it on, and we're going to find out.
The chairs are on the table, the floor has been swept. Closing time and I'm a little tired. It's a long time since I'd slept. But things are moving forward. I'm ready to move on, heading for a brand new start at the break of dawn. Here I come, you better watch out, you better beware. The rumor is out, nothing can stop me. I'm going for gold. I'm out of the dark, I'm out of the cold. Here I come, you better watch out, you better beware. The rumor is out, nothing can stop me. I'm going for gold. I'm out of the dark, I'm out of the cold. Getting closer. Yesterday is gone. Destination nowhere. I travel on my own. Here I come. You better watch out. You better beware. The rumor is out. Nothing can stop me. I'm going for gold. I'm out of the dark, I'm out of the cold. Here I come. You better watch out. You better beware. The rumor is out. Nothing can stop me. I'm going for gold. I'm out of the dark, I'm out of the cold. falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever, we can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher than a touch of your sweet desire. Well, we're all built and right, we just have to hold on through the night. As long as we are watching the Friday, we'll be safe from the devil's choir. Stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever, we can make it together. Yeah, yeah. When things go wrong, it's easy to sing a sad song. Seems like nothing comes for free, yeah. And it won't take a lot, your fragile soul will soon be strong. I'll carry you so tenderly. What I wanna say is that I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever, we can make it together. Breaks my heart seeing you struggle with the things you do, carrying the one on your shoulder. When did we become so much older? Now I wish I could say that all my troubles gonna blow away, but I won't quit until it gets better, even if it takes me forever. Stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever, we can make it together.